rules pertaining to the person lying in his deathbed and after dying. It is good for a person to always be ready for his journey to the hereafter. Once he sees the signs of death nearing, it becomes obligatory upon him to give people their dues, and if he has missed some acts of worship, to make them up. Or he should make it a part of his will and give it to a trustworthy person. Once the state of the person becomes very bad and he is expected to die soon, it becomes obligatory in others to lay him down on his back with the bottom of his feet facing the Qibla. It is recommended to repeat the Shahadatain, names of the Imams, and other true beliefs to him in a way that he understands them. After a Muslim leaves this world, it is recommended to close his mouth and eyes. It is also recommended to extend his arms and legs out, then put a cloth over him.